Alright guys, so I wanted to make a quick video about an issue that I've been having with my VR4. Sorry if my voice shakes a little bit, it's pretty cold out right now. But it has a cold start issue. When I do finally get it running, it'll run perfectly fine once it's warmed up throughout the rest of the day. Some things that I had to address with it. The previous owner said that he already did the spark plugs and the coils, spark plug wires, etc. Rechecked for boost leaks with the aftermarket intercooler. There were a couple of loose couplers, and then also back here he had this funky I have some extra in a box, purple tubing, and it was too big and it was causing vacuum leaks over there on the throttle body. I do believe that the throttle body gasket is backwards. You can't really see from this. He said that he believes he did that wrong, which after doing some research, yeah, it's facing the little tab that sticks up is on the wrong side. So I don't think it'll make that much of a difference, but there is the sound of hissing back there. A couple of other things. You either have to use starting fluid to get it to start, or you kind of have to pump the gas while cranking a bunch of different times, and it could take 3 cranks, it could take 30 cranks. And I always basically put jumper cables on it and whatnot, so that way it doesn't kill the battery on me. Fluid levels look fine, even after it's running. No issues there. I've already changed out the Iirc, the idle air control. At that point, that still didn't fix it. So I'm thinking, I did already buy the FIAV, the fast idle air control valve bypass from STM Tuned. Normally would go through Ninja, but I know Chris has passed recently, and unfortunately, and just decided to go with a company that could get the problem fixed today or very soon. No disrespect there, understand the situation. So yeah, got the O-ring for the FIAV as well. So today, swapped out the fuel pressure regulator with the Friends fuel pressure regulator off of his VR4 that is known to be running, and that did not seem to fix the issue. The other things that we are looking at is due to the symptoms, we think it's still fuel related. I have a fuel filter that I need to install tomorrow. I also have a new fuel pump coming in with the wiring for it. Some of the symptoms with the cold start include the first time I ever fired it up, when it finally arrived here, the idle was extremely high. It was like 5,000 or 6,000. So I replaced the BISS screw right there on the throttle body. Have it idling back down right around where it should be, around that 850-ish range. It might idle a little high sometimes, but it's turned all the way in. And it has the cap on it as well. Other things is, off of a cold start, if you give it a little bit of gas quickly, it'll pretty much stall the engine, and it cuts the RPMs down by about at least 500. And it's basically almost like if the car was stalling out. Off of cold starts, sometimes it'll just kind of idle off, it'll turn off for a few seconds and then cut off. But once it's warmed up, it's fine. So if I ease into the throttle, then it'll raise the RPMs, and it will typically be fine. It doesn't cut off like it does if you kind of just if you were more quick about it. So yeah, that's what I can think of. So yeah, if the fuel pump and the fuel filter don't work and the fuel pressure regulator hasn't done it, the only other thing that I can think of is like O-ring seals. And honestly, I don't think it's that. I don't ever smell any fuel out of the engine bay or anything like that, as if there were, you know, if there was gas that was basically open in the engine bay. So yeah, just running through this, hopefully it helps somebody. I'll post more videos if those parts do fix the problem. It's not a lot of money to throw these parts at it. It's about a couple $100. So yeah, fix any kind of air issues. I don't think it's spark. It did foul up a spark plug once, but that spark plug has since then been remedied. So yeah, I'm thinking it's fuel, and I'll continue giving updates when I get them.